You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 15. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Combine like terms. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 7 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 15.